Hey guys, in this video I have a problem where my controller is recognized by Heroic Games Launcher, as you can see it works, but when I open a game, then it doesn't work anymore, like the game doesn't respond with the controller. So to fix it is extremely easy. I've already mentioned and used those fixes in one video specifically for this game, and I'm going to use it again. So basically what you have to do is go into the settings of the game, scroll down and open Wine Tricks, and open Wine Tricks GUI. Okay, so here we are. Select the default wine prefix, okay. Then you open Run Regedit. And so this will open the Windows registry editor, but I mean it's not really the Windows registry editor, it looks like it, but it's the wine registry editor. And then we just click import registry file, and I've made this Pixelroy Gamepad issue, okay, and I've made it as a reg file. I've exported the reg file so you can install it, the link in the description, to automate everything. And basically it will add these two: disable hydro and enable STL, okay, into our wine boost folder. I don't know if we can call it a folder. Basically that will fix the problem. Okay, now the controller will actually work. Okay, at least I hope so. I mean, it worked for me, and it will probably work for you. So just to see, let's play the game. And it's also weird because sometimes, like I've installed Manjaro a couple of days ago, and this worked out of the box. I didn't have to do any tweaking, I didn't have to add any registry file, it just worked. The game found the controller and used it like out of the box by default. This time I've reinstalled today Manjaro, and the game didn't recognize the controller and didn't work with the controller. Even though the controller was recognized by Heroic, the game was not using it. So yeah, that's definitely weird behavior. And let me just turn down the volume. Okay. And as you can see, now it works. Okay, so here we are. I'm using the controller and everything is working. And yeah, so everything is working and it's just smooth, it's amazing. And the fix was just to add that reg file, and that reg file actually added two values into that wine bus folder. And now the controller is recognized by the game, and it works. Now you can add that reg file on multiple games. If like all of your games do not recognize the controller, then you just have to add that reg file on every single one of them. But it doesn't take a while, it just takes like 1 minute to add it, so it's not really a problem. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one.